Today I'm going to be doing the hair color and haircut of Zayn Malik in his new awesome video, Vibez. So the haircut is almost kind of complete because I found a mannequin that had short hair, but I'm going to go through the lightening process, which requires a professional lightener or bleach. So if you are trying to attempt this yourself, you want to make sure that your hair is on the lighter side to begin with, like maybe a light brown or a dark blonde. It's going to be so much easier if you do have really dark hair. Now, Zayn has dark hair naturally. It's almost pretty much like black. So in order to achieve that color on really dark hair, you have to, pre-lighten the hair. And sometimes you have to then use a toner, which is another color process to tone down any sort of brassiness or yellow tones that may come with lightening the hair when it's that dark. Sometimes it requires 2, maybe even 3 bleach processes because it just is not going to get it in one shot. Then you have to start to risk, damaging your hair, causing breakage. Obviously, Zayn has access to loads and loads of awesome professional stylists to make sure it's not damaged, but it's a process. So just be careful and be warned that if you do have black hair, you can't just put bleach on it and expect it to come out platinum blonde. It really takes some time and you need to really know what you're doing. So I'm going to do the entire process, the haircut, the color, and then we'll break it down at the end. All right, so the final look is complete, including the color and the haircut. So for the color, as I mentioned before, I did go in and use a professional lightener or bleach, and I let it sit on for about 45 minutes. I shampooed it out, and then I used a purple shampoo, right? Because anytime you get any sort of like yellowish tones or golden tones, anything with purple or violet will help neutralize that. So I used a purple neutralizing shampoo just to kind of tone it ever so slightly. And for the haircut, what I did is I used the number 1 guard pretty high up in through here, right? Really narrowed it down like how Zayn has it. And then I used scissor over comb and clipper over comb just to really blend this all in. And then the top is probably, I'd say, about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. And the cool thing about this type of look is that it's very kind of textured, and I like how this sweeps across, right? He's got a lot of soft texture into here, even though the hair is short, but it sweeps across and it works into this kind of focal point right in through here, which is a bit more like kind of up right in through here, right? It gives it a little bit more character for the haircut, as you can see. And overall, I think it's an awesome haircut and an awesome look. I used my cream hair clay to achieve it. And what I did was I really worked it into my hands to where it's like almost you don't see any product whatsoever. And you can do this with this product in order to get that more of a clay kind of matte chalky type texture, and that's perfect for going in and adding separation and being able to kind of piece out the haircut. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.